Good morning everyone. Today I am going to teach you new topic of algebra, that is sequence and series. Now see here, first I am going to clear the concept of sequence and series. What is sequence and what is series? Now listen here. Let us consider some sets of numbers as. Let us consider some sets of number. My distance, see my distance. Yes, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Another 9, 6, 3, 0, minus 3, 2, 4, 8, 16, 42. One by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 10, 1 by 12. Conditions. These all are the set of numbers. These all are the set of numbers. Now see here. These all are the set of numbers, and here these all are arranged in ascending order. This is in the ascending order. Ascending order. Now these are all the numbers. The set of the numbers are arranged. This is arrangement of the numbers in ascending order. See, ascending means small to big, and in second there is arranged in descending. Descending order. My distance. Here we have. Here also it is in ascending order, and there is, I think, it is in descending order. Yes. And when we arrange the numbers, in ascending or descending order, that is taken in order. When we take 10 in the orders, and also there is, see my distance, what is the rule of for this all? In which rule there is retained? My distance. Here each preceding term is less than each term by 2. Here 2 is less by 2 than 4. 4 is less by 6 than 2. 6 is less 2 by 6 is less by 2 than 8. 8 is less by 2 than 10. 10 is less by 2 than 12. Means each numbers are arranged in the order and also in the certain rule. This type of arrangement is called sequence. When we arrange the set of numbers taken in order in definite rule is called sequence. See here. Here it is also in the order, in descending order, and also in the rule. See here. Subtract 6 from 9, then we have 3. Subtract 3 from 6, 3. 0 from 3, 3. Minus 3 from 0, 3. Means each preceding term. Means this is the preceding term for 6. Each preceding term is more than 3 than 6 by 6. 6 is more by 3 than 3. 3 is more than 0 than 3 is more than 3 by 0. In this way, when we write in the rule, in certain rule and in the order, it's called sequence. So these all are the example of sequence. These types of set of numbers, these types of arrangement of a set of numbers in the certain rule as well as in order is called sequence. Okay, now I am going to define from the example. I am going to write definition. The arrangement of numbers in order and definite rule. The arrangement of numbers in order and definite rule is called sequence. Also we write in this way, see here, the set of numbers taken in order and certain rule. The set of numbers taken in order and certain rule is called sequence. My dear students, in this way we can easily clear about the concept of sequence. See here, and we have two types of sequence. One is finite sequence, another is infinite sequence. See here, we have here two types of sequence, finite and infinite sequence. And first we discuss about finite sequence. Now see my dear students, what is finite? Finite sequence. I am going to give one example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also the example sequence because it is arranged in the order and also it is in the rule. Each preceding term is less by 1. And another 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. My dear friends, these two sequences are finite sequence. Why it is finite sequence? Because it has finite number of terms. Now see how these all are the terms of the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has counting number of terms. Now here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has also counting number of terms. The sequence which have counting number of terms is called finite sequence. The sequence which have counting number of terms, otherwise a sequence having the finite number of terms. Now see how we write its definition. See here how we define the sequence which have finite number of terms. The sequence which have finite number of terms is called finite sequence. The sequence which have finite number of terms is called finite sequence. Then we have infinite sequence. What is infinite sequence? My dear friends, see here example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. The sequence which have infinite number of terms. The sequence which have infinite number of terms is called infinite sequence. Now write down. The sequence which have infinite number of terms. Definition, how we write this definition? The sequence which have infinite number of terms is called infinite sequence. Now see my dear friends, the sequence which have infinite number of terms is called infinite sequence, and these are the example of infinite sequence. Okay, all of you write this out. This is very important topic. To read limit also we need their sequence, series as well as function. Okay, now I am going to talking about series. What is the series? What is the series, my dear friends? Series. Now first I am going to give the example of sequence. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is in sequence. Okay. Now it is, we just read about sequence. When we sum the term of the sequence, otherwise sum or difference of the term of the sequence, then it is series, my dear friends. You know, when now I am going to find here, see here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Sum of terms of sequence. Same way, here 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. This is what? Difference of terms of sequence. And in another 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5. Here sum of difference of terms of adjustments. These all are the example of sequence. Sorry, these all are the example of series. You know what is the series? These three are the example of series. The sum, difference, sum or difference, which represent both. When we find sum, difference of the term of the sequence, means this is also indicating the sum, because when we write here plus and this is minus, plus this is minus, plus this is minus, plus this is minus, then it is also called what? Sum. It is also called what? Sum. It is also called sum. Yes, and plus minus minus. So here this leading the definition of the sequence, means from here we can easily write the definition. My distance, see here also here we write here minus, here plus and minus. This is sum, means sum of all the term of the sequence is called series. Then also sum of all the term of the, now there is remove, now this, now remove. This is also correct. This is not wrong. We only clear its concept by given there minus. So here we can easily say the sum of the term of the sequence is called series. Now see how we write the definition. The sum of terms of sequence is called series. Additions, the sum of term of sequence is called series. I think all of you know series. Again, see here example. Write the corresponding sequence of the 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Now see my distance. If there is asked in examination such types of question in group A, then how you write their answer? These types of question generally asked in group A. My distance, write down. Now see solution. Here given series is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, and this corresponding sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the required answer. My distance, you know how we write the answer of this types of question. Here we have series. You know what is series? The sum of the term of the sequence. When we remove here sum and separate them by the comma, then it gives sequence. And when we remove their comma and connect by the plus, then it is called series. Okay. Write down. We have already complete the definition of sequence, series, and also the types of sequence. Okay. I'm going to read this. Now here we have also the types of the series: finite series, infinite series. See here. First, I am going to teach you finite series. What is finite series? See example 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus the series which have finite number of terms. See here, the series which have finite number of terms is called finite series. The series which have finite number of terms, for example, this is there is not number. Now how many terms here? There is 4 terms. It is the finite number, countable number. The series which have finite number of terms is called finite series. Then I am going to teach you infinite series. See, what is infinite series? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus the series which are infinite number of terms. The series which have infinite number of terms is called infinite series. My questions: the series which have infinite number of term is called infinite series. Write down. And we have already completed the introduction of sequence and series. Take one screenshot. Sequence and series is also called progression. Sequence and series also called progression. Write down. Sequence and series also called progressions. Sequence and series also called progression. When exam there is asked define and you write then a sequence or series is equal to progression. Okay, and sequence and series. Now see my dear students, I am going to write the types of the progressions. Arithmetic, sequence, series. It is also called progression. It is also called AS or AB. We can easily denote arithmetic sequence or progression. AS and AB both are same. Then geometric sequence. It is called GS, GB. Harmonic sequence. Series. This is HS or HP. My dear students, sequence and series is called progressions. And progression, these are three types of progression: arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. It is also called arithmetic sequence. Progression means sequence and series. These are the types of sequence, series, that is progression: arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, and harmonic sequence, which we read in class. We will read in class 11 harmonic, about the harmonic progressions. And for today only this much. In next video I will clarify, I will define arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, harmonic sequence. Up to class 10 we only read about the arithmetic and geometric. In next video I will clarify about arithmetic and geometric sequence. For today only this much. Thank you.